Welcome back to my channel. This is Kay from Solo Record. Today I'm going to unbox Xiaomi Pad 5. Xiaomi Pad 5 already support the Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. You can see some explanation of Xiaomi Pad 5 spec on the back of the box. Okay, it is time to open the Xiaomi Pad 5. You can see the Xiaomi Pad 5 after you open the box. This is the charger for Xiaomi Pad 5. It supports 22.5 watt charging. That's all inside the box. It says thank you for choosing the Xiaomi product. And this is the manual book and the warranty card. (120Hz display), immersive quad stereo speaker, support the Dolby Atmos, Snapdragon 860, three magnetic pin for connecting to keyboard, USB Type-C port, another magnetic to put the Xiaomi Smart Pen, but the Xiaomi Smart Pen is not included. You can choose between the 60Hz and 120Hz for display. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.